do it. Do it quick. It is super simple. Yamaha was very helpful. It was a very easy process for the amount of work we put in to what we received. It was tenfold. It was super easy, and we didn't think we'd ever get picked. Our club received the Stay Outdoor grant last year, and it was basically instrumental in getting us to where we needed to be to get this project off the ground. It jumpstarted the whole project. For us, most of the funding is going towards contractors and supplies. We had to build up an old heritage road that had just eroded over the years. So for us, we had to haul in a lot of shale material. We had to build a bridge as well. That kind of pales in comparison to the amount the contractors were charging for the work involved. So dozer work, dump trucks full of shale, just getting it going and off the ground was a real help for us. It would have took months, possibly years to get the amount of funding we needed to start this project. And with that grant, it definitely helped us out quite a bit. You know, over the years, we got great support from Yamaha, and just for us, their products, we all drive Yamahas, we liked them, and this was just kind of a pat in the back for us. Kind of like, great job, guys. You know, thank you from Yamaha. And we're like, wow, Yamaha, really? Just our small little club? It was great. I know all the clubs on PEI, after we got it, they all reached out and they're like, you serious? You got, how did you even get it? They wanted to hear it. They wanted to see our stuff, and they're like, yeah, wow, this is exactly what we wanted to see. So because of that, I believe one of our island clubs got the money this year, so win-win. So if there's clubs, like, I know people ask us all the time, like, how can we do it? I highly recommend just put something together, throw it together, come up, make a wish list, you know, dream big, because Yamaha's right there. They want to hear this kind of stuff. Like if you guys are thinking about it at all, absolutely. Put it in writing, put it together, and Stay Outdoors Grant 2025.